So I just bought into Zeta Global, ticker symbol ZETA. They release earnings later today and have beaten earnings 16 times straight. So what I did is I bought 700 shares and I sold calls expiring this Friday, so 1 week from now. I was able to collect over $100 per call. And if I break down the position on option strat, it looks pretty similar to this. So if I do 700 shares and sell 7, this is exactly what I got into. So if Zeta has great earnings, well, I'm going to make around $830, and I'm going to be happy with that, especially because it expires in less than a week. If it does go down after earnings, well, I have a break even of $14.32 because of how much premium I was able to collect. So I'll essentially be buying in at that $14.32 mark and just hold. I believe in Zeta long term, and I think this is a great way to get into the stock safely, but also have pretty good upside. I mean, how many times can you say you made 8% in a week? This is the exact percentages and how it plays out. So I'll have roughly a 6.8% discount if it does go down, or I'll make 8.3%. I'm happy either way. It's a win-win in my mind. So what is Zeta? I had AI kind of come up with a summary to just give you an idea. They have a small moat around this, but essentially it's a growth-oriented AI play in marketing technology. So what they've been doing is using AI and a huge infrastructure of data to get really good at giving advertisers an ROI. And it's working. They've beaten earnings like 17 straight quarters beating guidance. They're projecting very strong revenue growth year over year and expanding margins. At the current price, I think it's worth it. It's down 13% past 3 months, 28% in the past year. It peaked back when AI was super hot, late 2024, at about $36. Now it's down all the way to low 15s, and my break even will be low 14s. So I love that price on it, and they're just about to hit profitability. I've been hearing about it a lot on X. If you don't follow me there already, follow me at Invest with Intel. But that's my play of the day today. It's a relatively small size of my portfolio at just 4.5%, but this is definitely a company I see myself dollar cost averaging into, doing strategies like the covered call to lower my cost basis and get in at a really good price, and then ideally make money over the long run. I do think that with the advance of AI over the coming years and how unique and profitable of an opportunity marketing can be, I'm excited to see what's going to come about. So if you like this video and want more, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.